Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to save locations on Google Maps. Once you visit a nice place or something that you want to save, you can do this on a simple way. Now let's say I visit the Eiffel Tower and I want to save this location. Then I click here on this location or search for this location and then scroll in the bar to the right where it says save. Then from here we click here on save. Now what we can do, we can click on favorites or want to go, and then we can place it just right there. Now we can also fill something to need to remember anything about this place, but we can also click on new list, create a new list, and then add this location to this place. Now let's say I want to add it in my favorites and I want to go, and then we do done. And then if I close this and we go to you, and I click here on want to go, you see if I scroll down, the Eiffel Tower, the place with an immerse view. And if I click now here and then do directions, you see that we just saved this location. And right now I can go to the Eiffel Tower by going to my saved locations. So this is exactly how you can do this. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.